All the details start to sink in, but I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house, 'cause I will try to play my part.
That was actually good. It's my first time doing this. So good. Look guys, made this little coaster and it's actually a good one this time. We're getting somewhere. So welcome or welcome back. I am Sam and today I was not gonna vlog. Also, if you hear the laundry, it's kind of going hard right now. I was not gonna vlog today, but I woke up and I was like, you know what? It's the perfect day to vlog. I have a lot of things to do today, a lot of wife duties, so I was like, why not do a day in the life of a housewife, you know, a military housewife, if I may. So right now I'm in these PJs that I bought from Marshalls. I literally was not planning on vlogging, but thank God I slept in pretty PJs. I bought these from Marshalls. They were like $17 the set and they're so comfortable. My mom had always told me about like having nice PJs, but I never believed her until now. But anyways, yeah, I have a structure for the day. You know, there's a lot of things I need to do, but I did not plan on vlogging, so we're just gonna see how the vlog comes out. I don't want to vlog a lot because last time I vlogged a day in my life, that was like 3 hours I had to edit. Also, this matcha, I got it from this girl on TikTok. I'll put her link right here. And it's so good. I'm not really like a nice matcha type of girl. I usually like hot matchas, but oh my goodness, it's so good. Anyways, we're gonna start the day. I did laundry and I didn't know Henry left dishes and I didn't know he left the laundry and I had to take the dogs out. All that was not planned. Henry was supposed to do all that, but you know, he did work a full day yesterday and I know he's really tired, so I understand. I'll just do it, you know, be a good wife. Right now I'm gonna do my morning devotional that I haven't done in like 3-4 days. Do y'all hear my laundry? And yeah, I'm looking rough because I literally woke up like this. Like, there's no filter in here, you know. This is how your girl wakes up. Sometimes my hair looks worse. Today's kind of looks kind of decent. I look kind of like Hermione from Harry Potter, but like season 1 type of vibes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go do our devotional and I'm gonna stop vlogging because this machine, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's literally going hard. I think it's gonna explode. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's devotional now. Meal prepping for the week, I like to look up TikToks of how to cook certain meals, healthy meals I try to make, and then I just save them here in this little playlist that I have, and then I just write down everything that I want to cook throughout the week. It's not perfect, I mean it's already Wednesday and I haven't even done it, and then I just put all the ingredients here, and then after that I just go shopping. I just take this list with me and I buy all the products. I don't always make exactly what I write here, but that helps me to keep track of what I'm gonna make and how I'm gonna make it. apart so it doesn't look pretty anymore. But oh my god, this is so good. If you haven't tried this, it's literally just rice, egg, avocado, and then you can put whatever you want on it. I just put some sriracha sauce and sriracha mayo, and then with the seaweed, oh my goodness, this is so good. So I'm still in PJs because this is a very realistic day in my life. Actually, I'm usually ready by now, and I'm usually have gone to the gym, but today is just not that type of day, girly pop. So we're gonna fold all this laundry. How exciting. I'm just gonna sit here, watch YouTube videos, and get all this done, and then cook a meal for my husband. I'll make some beef today. I don't actually know how I'm gonna do it, but I already took it out, so I gotta cook it now and see what's going on. Why did I fold it like that? I don't know. Grocery store now, and my camera's fogging up because it's freaking hot. Okay, so Henry's officially gone, and now we're in our way to buy groceries, ladies. Today was a really off day for me because first of all, I didn't plan on vlogging. That's one. And then second of all, I didn't know Henry didn't finish the laundry, so that took me really long because usually when I fold laundry, it takes me like about an hour, although I try to hurry, but I do always be putting YouTube videos to watch, so I kind of like prolong it myself. Alright, we're at the grocery store. Now, I always take, this is a random fact, I always take like a little jacket because I always get cold in like the meat section and stuff like that, so I'm gonna take that. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog because I'm a little shy. I'm honestly shy right now. Someone just parked in front of me and I'm like vlogging, you know? But whatever, it is what it is. If I don't vlog in my camera, I'll vlog in my phone. Just a little bit because y'all don't really care about what I actually get to eat, you know? Like just some aesthetic little clips in here, and then we'll go home and put everything away. I'm done with the groceries. It actually came out to a lot cheaper than I thought. Last time we came, we spent like $360, but we were missing like a lot of ingredients, and this time I only spent $168. I am missing the meats though, like chicken, salmon, and ground beef, but we buy that at a meat store. It's actually really cheap. That'd probably be like $20, $25, because at the meat store they always do this like buy 5 items and you pay like half, or I don't know what it does, but it's usually like mix and match. But the meat store is closed today, so I'll do that tomorrow. But I'm really happy. I was really scared for it to be more expensive because I actually got a lot more stuff that's like healthy. And, you know, healthy stuff usually is more expensive, but I guess not. I don't know. And I also got a lot of stuff because I want to start trying some Korean meals, just because, you know, you get tired of every day just chicken, salmon, and all that. And I've watched Korean dramas, and every time I watch them eat, oh my god, I want it so bad. Like this breakfast that I had this morning was actually kind of like Korean style. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do the little Korean food for now, but I don't know. I mix and match it. Sometimes it's Mexican, sometimes it's American, sometimes it's just fish, and other times it's Korean. So we'll see what we get. But either way, I'm really happy I came grocery shopping, and actually it was so much better. Not better, but it was just a lot easier without Henry and Miles. Well, Miles hasn't come in a long time, but when I come with Henry, I feel like I get in this like kind of, what's it called, like panic stage, where I feel like I need to do it quickly. I feel like I need to tell him right away like what I need to buy, and I need to get it done. And like now that I came alone, I just took my time. I vlogged a little bit. I would go back and forth. I went back and forth through the aisles like 10 times. You know, I went through my list, and I guess I know what I'm gonna cook, so it's just a lot easier for me to be like, oh, I probably need this, oh, he'll probably eat this, because I'm in charge of the meals. And when I'm with Henry, I feel like I have to tell him like, go get the tomatoes, go get the onions, go get this, and I feel kind of like rushed. I don't know, but either way, I'm glad I enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna go home and put the groceries away. I should hurry because it's really hot, and then probably watch a Korean show and relax.
Apple crumble?
Oh, I forgot I was zoomed in. Today was very much unplanned and kind of unfiltered, since I didn't really know I was gonna vlog and I didn't really know what the day had in store for me. It's not like a regular day, but it is a non-planned day. So you got a real insight in my life in case you were wondering if you're wanting to become a military wife, or if you're engaged in the military, or just a housewife in general. I can do more content on housewife stuff because, you know, your girl's kind of going through it right now. This is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed just a regular day in my life as a housewife, and please make sure to like and subscribe if you like these type of videos. Love y'all.